Hi, my name is Chris Nanson. I'm an orthopedic surgeon specializing in hip and knee replacement surgery, native Portland, Oregonian. The desire to become a doctor really was kind of rooted in the science initially. I liked science, enjoyed biology, enjoyed the physiology, and the ability to actually take that and really apply the knowledge practically to help people was very attractive. And so that was really the thing that initially drew me to medicine. But I really like to fix things. I always was mechanical. I always had mechanical hobbies, did a lot of modeling, built a lot of things with my hands. And so the ability to actually use my hands and fix things and then kind of move on and find another thing to fix was very attractive to me in orthopedics. It was always a plan to really go to medical school. I actually went on and got a master's degree in public health. Did not get into medical school. I got a master's in public health, trained as an industrial hygienist, which is really kind of industrial health and safety. So still kind of in the health field. That was a pretty fascinating career, and I actually had a career in that all teed up. I was actually working for Raytheon Missile Systems as an industrial hygienist when I got into medical school. And then finally kind of realized that and had to make a decision and stuck with medicine. We've got a family, got a beautiful wife, 3 lovely daughters. As the kids get older and hit the teenage years, and now we're starting high school, it's getting busy. So we've got a lot of kids activities, a lot of family activities. Really enjoy being outside. In the winter, I love to ski. In the summer, ride my bike, run quite a bit. My wife's also a runner and a big kind of outdoor enthusiast. And so we get the kids out, hike and kayak and really kind of try to get outside and enjoy everything that the Northwest has to offer. Really probably my favorite clinic day of the week is my first afternoon in clinic. We joke that that's the victory lap clinic. It's fun to meet with people a month and a half after their surgeries and really see the difference and see how much better people are doing than they were doing before. And to see somebody walk in that hasn't walked without a walker in years and walk in standing up tall with no assisted device and not have that pain, it's very rewarding to be able to provide that to people. I get a lot of my reward in just kind of seeing how people do after surgery. That's just the best part of my week.